Okay, number 9. A highway department has $375,000 in the present budget set aside for transportation improvement projects. It has the option to construct a bridge now for a cost of $350,000 or waiting 5 years and constructing the same bridge when there is $400,000 in budget. Which option is best, assuming an average inflation rate of 5%? So ano daw yung choices ay build the bridge now or wait 5 years, or both are equally affordable, and there is not enough information. Okay. So dito, parang ganito yan. Bali, yung cost ng bridge kapag ngayon mo ginawa is $350,000. So, pero pwede ka daw na maghintay ng 5 years. Tapos, na kung saan, after 5 years, may mas malaking budget. Kumbaga, yung dating 350,000 na budget, magiging 400,000 na yung budget. So, ang tanong, ano yung maganda? Hintayin na lang ba natin yung 5 years kasi mas malaki ang budget doon? Or, ngayon na, gastusin mo na to, no? 350 na lang. Okay? So, to determine this, because of the inflation rate, you have to also check, ano ba yung magiging value nitong 350,000 na to pagdating ng 5 years due to the inflation. Okay? So, the future worth of the 350,000 will be 1 plus 0.05 or yung 5% raised to 5 years. Tingnan natin. So, bali, after 5 years, ito na yung magiging bagong cost ng pag-build ng bridge dahil sa inflation. And that gives us 446,698.55. Okay, na kung saan, anong masasabi natin? Yung magiging cost ng bridge after 5 years is 546,000 na. Yung magiging budget mo after 5 years is only 400,000. So this is already greater than the budget. So, ibig sabihin, hindi maganda na maghintay pa tayo ng 5 years para i-build yung bridge kahit pa mas malaki yung budget. Kasi magiging mas mahal na yung paggawa ng bridge during that time because of the inflation. So, therefore, dito, it is best to build the bridge now. Okay?